What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new things that I received. I got this palette right here from Glamlite. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Look at this. The colors are so pretty. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys this new tool that I never tried. So this is the Glamlite Quick Crease tool, and it's just easier to create a crease. In case you guys don't know how to get a precise crease, you can use this to do so, but I'm just scared because I don't know how this is gonna work on my eye shape. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna try it. As always, you guys know I like to prep the eyes using some concealer just to conceal anything that might be showing up. So I am going to start with the shade Passion Fruit, and this is going to be my transitioning shade. This is such a pretty shade, you guys. Like I don't think I ever tried a shade like this. It's like an apricot. I'm just continuing reapplying the same shade, you guys, to get the intensity of it, but it's very pretty. It blends in really nice. I'm not having any hard trouble, but I feel like that's always my same opinion when it comes to like lighter shade. They always work really well, but when it comes to the darker shade, it's like, okay, espérate. Next, you guys, I'm taking the shade Cinnamon and I'm adding it to the outer crease, and I'm gonna bring that into the inner part of the crease as well. Just blend it all in there. This is gonna create more dimension on the crease. And of course, you guys, don't forget to blend the edges. And if you're wondering why I have this, it's because my bun is so tight, it's hurting, and when I put like something between it kind of makes it feel better. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Plumpy, and we're gonna darken even more on the outer crease. You guys, I could definitely say the shades has been nothing but good to me. They're so pretty and they blend in really nice. I feel like this shade definitely does has a little bit of patchiness. Like there's some spare, like there's a little bit of patchiness there. Like there's a patch that has no color, but it's not as visible and it doesn't look like it in person, so that's good. And you guys, I'm also bringing this shade all the way up to the crease. I always go a little bit above my crease when it comes to creating a cut crease, just because I feel like my crease is a little bit too low and I need more space to have like a canvas to create art basically. So I'm just going back to the shade Cinnamon and blending in the crease, and I like to do this, you guys, in circular motions, slowly. You can definitely see it now. There is a lot of patchiness going on, honey. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I'm telling you guys, every time it gets to the darker shade, that's when you know this palette is no bueno. I mean, so far the palette is not that bad, you know. It's like, it's not bad. Ooh, the patchiness, honey. Okay, it's covering up. I'm telling you guys that not every palette can work with me. Like some things I can make it work. You guys know I always make it work. Matter of fact, let's just clear that up. I can always make it work. I don't know why, but that patch the patchiness. Okay, you guys, so I'm definitely not feeling the palette whatsoever. I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually use the little quick crease tool. This is actually pretty big. Like this is bigger than my eyes. Like look where it goes all the way up here. Well, let's try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer in here. I'm hoping this is not too much, but this is just supposed to be like a quick guide basically, you guys, to create your crease, but this is scary, dude. So I'm just pressing it there. Woo! That's dope, dude. Oh my god, no way. Yeah, I could get a little tricky to get both sides. Oh, let me tell you, it's definitely easier than doing it by yourself. Whatever, the point is, it worked. It's awesome. That's incredible. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this crease like that because I really like how it turned out. So I'm gonna take the shade Plumpy one more time, and this is gonna go on my outer right here. Next, I'm gonna take the shades Dreams. And lastly, you guys, I'm gonna apply Gold Getter. Oh no, this is all over the place. I feel like it's mixing in with my concealer and it's just not looking good. Yeah, you guys, I don't like how the eyeshadow's looking whatsoever. So I'm taking this glitter by Glitter Injection, which is in the shade Mermaid Lips. Okay, you guys, so the whole point of this was to make it look like it was falling down. I don't know if I did any justice, but I tried. I also took a black eyeshadow to kind of like smudge a little bit on the close to the lash line, just because I wasn't liking that plum shade that I applied. It was like patchy, wasn't looking right. So to make this look poppin', now we're gonna go ahead and some lashes on. And I'm using the lashes from their brand as well. It's Glamlite Lash. This is a 3D luxury mink lashes in the style Bonita. Okay, you guys, and for my lower lash, I'm gonna go with these two shades right here, the Plumpy and this orange one. Okay, you guys, so actually what I had with this orange shade right here that I freaking love, because I didn't like how the other mixture was going on too. Oh, you know what? I could put a shadow. Okay, you guys, so I ended up applying a green eyeshadow on, well, my waterline. My lashes are not sticking. So now we're going on to the face, you guys. I'm using this Milk Makeup Luminous Blurring Stick, which I freaking love. Let's go ahead and see if this works on my other foundation that I love. Like, oh my god, I love this. And I only used it once, but it was so good, you guys, that it really made the foundation look amazing. So let's see how it makes my foundation looks today. And you guys, I'm also going to be trying these Real Technique sponges. So one is smaller and the other one is a little larger, and this one feels a little bit more like softer and this one has more density to it. So I just went ahead and wet it, but I don't think these are meant to be wet. Anyways, I'm using my Lancome foundation in the shade 370. I don't like it at all, you guys. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be meant for this, but it's not. Maybe it's because of water, but you could definitely see how it leaves those little stripes. Yeah, there is nothing special in this brush. It actually took away a lot of the foundation. Like, the whole foundation is basically here. And for concealer, you guys, I'm using this Milk Cosmetic concealer in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in with a sponge. Concealer is amazing, you guys. I'm also going to be using their translucent powder in the shade Light. I'm going to be using a little bit of blush from NOTECOSMETICS. It looks like this, super pretty. I'm using the Lancome mascara. And now for highlighter, you guys, I'm going in with the Bretman Rock and Morphe Paradise highlighting palette, which is gorgeous. I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, you guys, and now to finish it off, we're gonna go on to the lips. And to make it a little vampy, because we are in October, I'm gonna go in with this hard vampy purple shade, which I hope it will look good.